And yeah, I will make from you a tactical monster just in a few minutes. But only if you train very, very hard yourself, I can just share you the techniques. Okay, let's have a look at this position. And obviously, king is the tactical weakness. This diagonal is very weak. Yeah, and we see all the ways to the king. Train yourself to see all the ways to the king. Double horse jumps, especially impossible ones like this, which noticing impossible jumps train your brain to see all the jumps all the time. So if you train yourself see this, you basically can miss almost nothing. Yeah, I mean you still will miss a lot of things, but it's very hard to miss something if you train yourself to notice these things. Again, guys, I mean. Again, I probably didn't say it before, but it has to be quite obvious when you play real game, you play natural. You don't check 97 in real game, but in your training, it's quite a normal move to check when you solve puzzles. Okay, so the king is tactical weakness, queen is always tactical weakness. We notice all the ways to the queen and all the possible and impossible double jumps. Yeah, this might be something also checking square. Yeah, so rook is obviously tactical weakness here. Back rank is weak. Oops, I just draw it more. Back rank is weak here. Rooks are disconnected. Also, in some variations, it's quite funny because queen is always overloaded piece, as I told you in many previous videos. So when queen is defended here g7, yes, it's not actually really defending g7. In some variations, g7 may fall. And if you train yourself, simply notice, okay, queen is not really good defender, yes, and everything which queen is defending is basically semi-hanging piece. Yes, like g7 square. We cannot say it's tactical weakness 100%, but we cannot say it's not tactical weakness. So it's 50% tactical weakness. We can also notice it. So yeah, the king has no desirable escapes here. Like it literally has nothing to do. And okay, I won't talk a lot about this position because noticing tactical weaknesses, I checked quickly which tactical weaknesses white have, and I mean horse is hanging basically, and basically only queen. Yeah, maybe I missed something, but basically all the ways to trade queens attack the queen, but it's also not really realistic. So it's very easy to play as white because not many weaknesses. Okay, and I started to think about candidates' ideas, all this nonsense. Of course, I it takes split of second to check all the multiple ways, but mainly I was focusing on the queen d2, queen d1, and queen d2 is basically stronger because it's also attacking a 4 square and attacking d6, very important square. And the question is why is it not winning? Queen d6 is quite devastating threat. The ways to defend d6 is queen e7, move the bishop somewhere on any of these squares, and take the horse. If he takes the horse, there is simply queen d6, queen e7, rook b5. There is no way to defend against these two threats, queen b6 and rook e5. It's very difficult to defend b6 and a5 if she doesn't have queen d8. I just missed it. That's good. That was good. And basically, it has to be winning. Queen c5, king b8, rook b7, king b7, rook b1, king e6, queen b5, queen b7, and yeah. And rook b1, king. Right. Let me think for a second. I just realized I missed very simple double defense. Queen a7, queen c5, king c8 is the main move. Queen c6, queen c7, queen a8, queen d7. It's good. Wow. Yeah, the reason I started to record this puzzle without checking deeper, yes, was I saw the line queen d2, bc8, and there is this stunning move, overprotecting b7, defending d6 square, and there is just a stunning move from the white side, which is rook e6. It's kind of Kasparov style. And the idea is queen is absolutely overloaded, bishop is overloaded. If bishop is 6, there is queen d6, queen c7. If fe, queen d6, and queen e6, queen e4, this important diagonal. Yeah. But now I see the main line is probably queen d2, ab, queen d6, king e7. Did I miss something simple? There was a line when I could pick this pawn and it were winning. Probably queen d8 and the move. Still queen c5 is possible, yeah. Queen c5, b6. This rook e5 is possible. Queen b6. Huh. Can we not win? And it's still pin, like rook b7 is end. And this one is the pin, and queen f8 is coming. The queen may be stronger than 3 pieces. Is there any way to unpin after rook b7? I also have threads, like, yeah. Is there any way to unpin? Yeah, okay, queen d2 takes, queen d6, king d7, rook takes b5, queen d8, takes, oops, rook b1, king c8, queen c6, king c7, queen a8, king d7, and the idea is to play rook b7, and this is pin. Can she bring the king to support on king? My idea is just take and play queen f8 and slowly pick up everything here. So this is strong threat. If takes king d6, queen d8. He has to defend the 7 square. King e8 maybe. But then he has no knight. Knight e7 is the threat. Okay. And if I play queen b8, king d7, it's self-blockade. No knight e7, but I don't have a5 square. But I have a pawn. 5 moves. It's 5 moves. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And my pawn already on a7. Why is it not winning? Yeah, it's probably winning because it's just 5 moves, and to unpin she needs at very least 4 moves, and that is already pawn on the 7th rank. Another way to unpin, h5, doesn't work much. I mean, I don't see how he can unpin without bringing king to g7. And even there will be some check from these diagonals. And he cannot play f6 for e6. Knight f6, okay. Then maybe something like that, but I can prepare for that if I want. Like, even if I don't have this pawn in this structure, I can prepare g4. And then he plays knight f6, g5, that is quite advanced visualization. Okay. Okay, so we go queen d2, and I probably missed something else about take risk. Again, the question is what could I miss? If I could miss this, maybe I could miss here. Rook c5 is devastating. I saw all this line like rook a6, rook c5, takes, rook d1, and there is my queen d8 and that. Yeah, and bishop moves. Maybe there is this move. F4 is still weak square. This move, e8 is weak square. This move, this is interesting because after queen d7 he has ab. Looks very shaky, but maybe. But e8 is weak, b7 is weak, too many weaknesses. It's not realistic. Rook takes b5, simple, and not only rook takes b5, I think many ways to win. Yeah. But this is hanging, e8 is still hanging, and it's easy to add more fire. Okay, let's play it. A takes b. Yeah, bc8, rook e6 would be a nice stunning idea. So queen d6, what am I missing, guys? Am I missing something? Maybe there's something stronger. Rook e6, rook b5, queen, another check? No, queen d6 is only. Okay, wait. Oh, that's set. That's really set. Okay, let's check with the engine. King is7, king c8 is just. Oh, that's what I missed, 97, 96. Okay. It's winning, but I clearly missed this simple idea. It has to be winning, but this will pick up the rook. Rook is also hanging piece. Did we notice it? Yeah, rook is also hanging piece. Okay. Sometimes we notice tactical weakness after we solve puzzle. Okay. But I was just lucky because it can be just winning idea for black. Just bring horse to defense. 97, 96. And this is, by the way, we need to notice. Okay. But main line, I think, was this. Rook b5 is possible, but also queen e3. No, there are many moves. Queen d8 is main move. Yeah, alright. And this was the main line, which I saw. And my idea, yeah, queen d7 is the strongest. And I was thinking king e8 is necessary because king d8 bc8 is what did I miss? Yeah, my idea was defensive idea were to bring king to g7, but as I said, there is also this setup, and only 4 moves to the 7th rank. But what did I miss? Was this one? Yeah, and now this, and he can complete development. Yeah. But by the way, engine very clearly see tactical weakness on g7. Yeah, as we mentioned before. But the funny point for me, engine does attack, does collect these pawns. Yeah. Because for me, I would, if I don't have time to evaluate all that, I would consider just with the pawn to a7. 1, 2, 3. That's the point. 1, 2, 3 probably, yes. The idea is this is 3 is only this. He's attacking here. But notice, by the way, I just calculate moves. I don't calculate I'm here, he's here, I'm here, he's here, I'm here, he's here. Yes, guys, this is 5. Yes. After 3, it's here, but he is just already here. So it's way faster if you just calculate amount of moves. Yes. He creates threat and maybe blockade something. But let's check. Oh, it's not 97, by the way. This one. It plays not bringing horse to blockade, which is weird for me. What is the idea? Because rook horse blockades rook itself, and this is already draw. Yeah, this idea I completely missed. Yes, and engine simply attack next tactical weakness as soon as possible. picking up a lot of pawns and then move them forward. Which is also not a simple position, by the way. Okay. Let me check main main yes line, which was b8. So engine didn't see rook e6. Yes, yeah. For a while it didn't see rook e6. Boom. Yeah. This is, I mean, it's so Kasparov-ish move. Rook e6. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video, and hope you enjoyed it as well as me. And if any one of you guys wants to learn chess and in the proper way, I mean, hey guys, hire coach is the fastest way to grow, and it's very good idea. And I will have a job. Okay, my biceps are my stop.